interested in learning professional beauty skills within your budget? Then we are here for you. RIYA Beauty Studio Hyderabad welcomes all the dedicated and passionate candidates who aspire to build a career as a professional beauty artist, makeup artist, or a beauty therapist. Hello, I'm Manisha Tandon, a professional cosmetologist and a mentor with a rich experience of providing training in the beauty and styling domain. I wholeheartedly invite you for the training program at our studio in Hyderabad, where you get the opportunity to learn the high-yielding skills of beauty and cosmetics at a very reasonable prices. Come and fulfill all your dreams by registering on our portal given below at your earliest to kickstart your journey with us.